Today we're changing our kitchen curtains from these old curtains to these new ones that I got. The material is made out of linen blend of polyester. It has a soft touch. I got the gray one, light gray one, and it has tassels on it. It blocks out sunshine so that it gives you that private look. It has two rod areas where you could put a small rod or a big rod. I'll be using the big rod. Each package has two pieces of panels, and I love that the panels are suitable and perfect for most rods and very easy to install. I also love that it gives you that soft and easy vision that you want for your kitchen. This is so beautiful. It transforms the kitchen. You can use it in the living room, in the bedroom, and it's easy to wash when it's time to wash it. You can see the tassels. The tassels are just perfect. The fiber is formaldehyde free, so it's safe for kids. And I love that it's on like normal sheer. The line weave makes the curtain more draped and aesthetic looking. It's absolutely perfect.